Hi viewers, it's Dr. Abbas Birmani and you are watching ABC Nature. This is the place where I shoot my birds videos as well as still photography that I post on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. So this is my village, Otwala in South Punjab, Pakistan. This just attached to my home. Actually, we live here in a farmhouse, kind of farmhouse. These are the reeds, thicket, and garden and jungle and some fields. These are paddy fields. So there is a pond. So this is the area where I shoot my birds videos. So these are house sparrows, and down there a predator is hiding. This is long-tailed shrike. This one sitting on the cypress tree top. Quite a beautiful bird, but very cunning and brutal predator. Enjoying the morning sun. This is in our home garden. So this is the area. It is a balanced sort of habitat. There are trees, there are bushes, there are reeds, there is a pond, there is a garden. Birds have shelter there, can have food there very easily. There is a pair of flameback woodpeckers on a dried up tree. This is a Conicorpus tree. Searching for insects. Quite a beautiful bird. Friends, you will ask me where do you shoot your videos, so that's why I'm showing you. And this is a Eurasian kingfisher, very beautiful bird, sitting in the reeds along the pond. Waiting for fish to come to its reach where it can grip it. And these are babblers, jungle babblers, a lot of them chirping and making noise. But they are worried, they are frightened, they have found some danger. And this is a threat. Rufous tree pie or common Indian tree pie is also a predator. So they are gathered there and they are making noise just to protect their nests. And this is a beautiful little bird, kind of warbler, reed warbler, preening, sitting in the bush, the acacia bush. There are blossoms on the acacia, beautiful yellow flowers. There are a lot of bird varieties here, which I show you time to time. This is the pond. Isn't it a beautiful bird? I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.